Yeah, so I have here my JBL TUNE600 wireless headphones, and I want to show you here how to replace the battery of those. So here the battery is here in the left earpiece, so the one with the L on it. So first we're going to remove here the cushion. I'm just going to put my fingernails between the fabric and the outer earpiece, and I'm going to pry this out. So and then next we have here 3 screws in this plastic housing, and I'm going to quickly remove those. And then after that we have to pay attention when we want to remove this cover here, because there is this little white wire that you see here on the side, and it goes to this microphone here for the noise cancellation. So when you want to open up this cover here with the transducer, make sure you don't accidentally tear this out. So be careful when you remove the speaker here itself. So now here we already can see the battery. Here we have a little close-up in case you want to find out what kind of battery you need here. So yeah, this is what this looks like, and we want to remove the battery now. And actually this is pretty easy because the battery here is not soldered on. There's actually here this little connector that we can simply pull off, and then all you have to do is to pry here the battery off of the housing, because that is glued on pretty well. And then once you have the new battery installed, then all you have to do is plug in the connector here again. And remember that the black wire is here on the top, and the red wire, that is here in this case on the bottom. So put this in here in the right direction, right orientation. And now, since we have the battery installed, we can put this transducer back on. Make sure that the white wire here isn't pinched. And also, in order to get the cover back on, you have to make sure that this port here that you see here in the red circle, that we put this in first here in the outside of the housing. You see this little hole here, and make sure that the port goes through this hole first, and then we can simply push the transducer into position. And then we just install those 3 screws that we moved earlier again, and then check that this here is all nice and flush. And when it is, then we can put the ear cushion back on, and also here check for this little cutout here on the cushion and the wire, that those line up. And when they do, then you can just put the cover, the ear cushion on top, and press it into place so that it clicks. Yeah, and then all that is left to do is make sure that it still works, or that it works again. So power it on and make sure that everything is in order. Okay, so yeah, this is already it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.